Finding a compact SUV that delivers efficiency, style, and advanced technology can be a challenge. Modern drivers seek a vehicle that not only offers reliability, but also enhances everyday convenience with smart features and a sleek design. With impressive fuel economy, upgraded safety systems, and a refined look, the Toyota Corolla Cross stands out. The front grille features a chic chrome accent, giving it a premium feel. New sequential signal lights and a redesigned rear LED light add to its contemporary look. Riding on 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels with two 25/50R18 tires, this SUV stands out on the road. The car offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials. The intuitive layout ensures that both driver and passengers experience comfort on every journey. It comes with a crisp 8-inch infotainment screen, packed with Toyota's latest software and a 6-speaker audio system, standard. The top trim? It upgrades to a 7-inch digital instrument display for that premium feel. Plus, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM come included. Go for the JBL premium audio system with a subwoofer. The gasoline variant is equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 169 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, it achieves an EPA estimated 31 miles per gallon in the city, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, and 32 miles per gallon combined. All-wheel drive is available for an additional $1,300, slightly affecting fuel efficiency. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, the Corolla Cross Hybrid combines a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a total of 196 horsepower. This setup delivers impressive fuel economy, achieving 45 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 32 miles per gallon combined. All-wheel drive comes standard on the hybrid model. The hybrid model features a lightweight lithium-ion battery, ensuring efficient energy use without compromising performance. With its impressive fuel economy, drivers can expect a substantial driving range on a single tank, making it ideal for both city commutes and longer trips. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety features designed to protect occupants and pedestrians alike. Pricing for the 2025 Corolla Cross starts at $25,385 for the base L trim. The LE trim is priced at $27,715, and the XLE at $29,610. For the hybrid enthusiasts, the S trim begins at $29,745, with the SE at $31,065, Nightshade at $31,990, and the XSE at $32,990, $32,930. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross combines style, efficiency, and advanced features, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV market. Whether you're drawn to its sleek design, impressive fuel economy, or the latest technological upgrades, it's worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more automotive insights right here on the NamCar channel. Catch you in the next one.